Now, as you can see on the screen, the price of Shiba Inu coin is not doing very well today. The overall cryptocurrency market getting hit very hard once again, and the last week really has caused a lot of declines in the overall crypto space, not just in Shiba Inu coin. But we're going to be going over this price action in the video today, and we're also going to be talking about why whales, or what whales are doing. Because as you can see here, whales are currently moving 3.8 trillion Shiba Inu coin in the last 24 hours. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got an article to go through on the screen right here. But before we get into that, I want to talk about this price action, because it's not just Shiba Inu coin that's getting hit. You can see that Bitcoin having a very difficult last week, going from $70,000 per coin back down to $60,000 per coin. And that's actually a very large decrease in the overall price of Bitcoin. We're talking about, nearly 100 or a little over $100 billion lost in Bitcoin. The overall cryptocurrency market losing hundreds of billions of dollars over the last week or so. And the price action is affecting more than just Shiba Inu coin. But if we pull our graph out, we can see that this downtrend that we have been in since the March highs continues to be intact here. In fact, we have very little support until we get back down to this 1,200, 1,300 point per coin level. And beyond that, guys, we could be testing 1,000 points per coin again. So there's just a brief 2-3 day period back here at the beginning of March, end of February, where Shiba Inu coin held up at this 1,300 point per coin level. We've got a little brief period just a couple of weeks ago when everything was falling off a cliff. Shiba Inu coin came down very, very quickly and tested 12. It was 1267 as the low, but tested this 1,300 point per coin level of support once again, and we are right now on our way back to this level. And if you look, there is no support between where we are now at the 14 and where we could be at support at about 1,290, 1,300 points per coin. So it is very likely that we do see a continued decline down to these levels so that the technical level of support is hit, does hold up, just in case you guys are wondering kind of when you should add to your portfolios or when you should buy the dip. It's always good to buy the dip after it begins to bounce up off of a level of support, especially if that is a very strong level of support. Now, from there, let's go in and see what the whales are doing, because overall accumulation in the cryptocurrency space is happening by whales right now, not retail investors. Whales, it seems as though they've got endless money, right? They can go in, they can buy the dip, and if it dips again, they'll buy the dip, and they're here for the next bull market. And when the next bull market takes place, they're going to be loaded up so heavily that they're going to make hundreds of millions of dollars or billions of dollars collectively. Now, of course, they're going to sell off and we're going to trigger another bear market afterwards, but we are nowhere near that level yet. So it says over the past 7 days, whale activity has seen a resurgence with a $3.8 trillion token transfer in the last 24 hours. SHIB sees increased whale activity. After experiencing low activity, Shiba Inu's interest in and strength in whale activities are again regaining market share. Over the last 24 hours, SHIB has recorded 3.8 trillion total token transfers, according to CryptoQuant. These transfers showed growing confidence among major SHIB holders. The market trends over the last 7 days showed that investors had immense faith in the meme coin, so large holder inflows may drive prices up through buying pressure. And I absolutely hope that it does, but we have to get through all of this selling pressure first. Right now, in this crypto space, it doesn't matter if you're talking about Shiba Inu coin or Dogecoin or Bitcoin or everything is getting hit very hard, and retail investors are getting hit the hardest because you typically see retail investors going for the smaller coins, the meme coins, the riskier assets out there. Now it says impact on SHIB price charts. As of writing, Shiba Inu coin was trading at 1550, and as you can see, it's back down to about 1,400 points per coin. We have seen a very strong decline over so far this today. It says the decline followed a sustained decline over the past months with a 6.59% drop on the monthly charts. Over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu coin has declined by 2.25%. AMB crypto analysis further showed that the large holder inflows has not affected prices positively. That is, of course, because we have larger outflows than we do inflows. Even though the whales are out there buying, even though you're accumulating, even though 3.8 trillion Shiba Inu coin have traded hands in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu coin continues to be victim of the overall market bearishness or the overall market sentiment. Now, with that declining price, one would expect fear to be entering the market once again, and that is exactly what we have. Guys, last week we were seeing a level of 71, 72, and so on, a greedy scenario. Today, we are back to fearful. If you follow CoinStats Fear to Greed Index, you can see that right now we are at a level of 37 fear. Now, 37 is in the fearful territory and not necessarily the extreme fearful territory, so we could continue to fall a little bit further. But as long as we hold up previous supports, I believe investors will have a little bit more confidence than they previously did. Now, moving here to the CoinMarketCap Fear to Greed Index, we are right there in neutral territory at a level of 49. 50 would be perfect neutrality. 49 is just under that neutral area. And you can see that we have gone from green, or a greedy scenario. We were above 60 just a couple of days ago, and we are falling back down near the fearful territory. The Fear to Greed Index on CoinMarketCap does not move as quickly as the Fear to Greed Index over on CoinStats, so it's a little bit more, I would say, of a conservative Fear to Greed Index, but nonetheless, it is falling back out of greedy territory. We're a little over 49 right now, which is indicating the overall market sentiment by no means, I guess, is showing buying activity or showing bullishness. We've got a fearful and we've got a neutral situation going on, but you can also come out and you can once again see, you know what, let's refresh this trend here. Let's see if we can get any updates to see where we are. The cryptocurrency search volume out on trends.google.com. You can see that it spiked when retail investors bought in 2017. You can see that it spiked when retail investors bought in 2021. And right now, we are at the lowly little level of 5. Guys, the only time retail interest has ever been lower than it currently is in the cryptocurrency space was way back at the beginning of 2017 and throughout 2016. That is it. Before Bitcoin ever put its name on the map, rising up to $20,000 per coin back in 2017, search volume was a level of 1 and 2. Today, it is at the lowest levels we have seen since 2016. We are currently trending with Google Trend Analytics at a level of 5. Retail is nowhere to be found. The very few of you who are watching this video today are the ones that, if you do not give up, will be successful. I want to know what you guys think about Shiba Inu coin and the overall cryptocurrency space right now. Are you accumulating? Or are you simply moving forward with your eyes closed and just hoping and anticipating that the overall bull market returns? Let me know what you guys got down in the comments, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.